Cleaning the printhead and the Platen roller on the ZT230 series printers. We recommend using a Zebra Preventative Maintenance Kit. Open the kit pouch. Remove the cleaning swab. Rotate the gold printhead lever up to open the printhead. Use the swab to wipe along the brown strip on the printhead assembly from end to end. You can also use a clean cloth dipped in solution of 9 parts isopropyl alcohol and 1 part deionized water. Clean the Platen roller by wiping it thoroughly and rotating it. Allow the solvent to evaporate. Close the printhead. We recommend cleaning whenever you replace the ribbon on a thermal transfer printer or whenever you replace the labels on a direct thermal printer.